As search efforts continue in and around Kerr County, the county commissioners floated the idea today during a meeting of maybe draining a lake. Marissa Armas was listening in and found out how tough that may be to accomplish.
11 days after the deadly floods, Kerr County commissioners discussed the ongoing search and recovery efforts.
That's where we had the people out in the river basin doing a lot of work. We're trying to get a handle on things.
One of the topics briefly mentioned during the meeting, emptying out a county lake.
And there is a plan in place right now to accomplish draining the lake.
And that's what I wanted to.
Yeah, we can't go any further with that other than tell you that's being looked at right now.
Commissioners didn't specify which lake or why exactly, but said it's part of the ongoing search effort. CBS News Texas did reach out to the county for clarification, but they did not return our request. Currently, there are still at least 160 people missing since July 4th.
And know that is going to be an enormous undertaking because of the endangered species issues that we have.
And University of Texas at Arlington professor Adnan Rajib agrees. He says draining out any large body of water would be a challenging task.
Not because of the nature of the job itself, but also how dynamic the things have been in Carville and in the flood-affected areas. We just had a moderate flood yesterday. So how things are changing, that's going to impact all these decisions.
Rajib says not only is the volume of water they're working with tough, but also the steep and rocky terrain.
Essentially, it requires you to dam certain portion of the river and trap the water and then drain the trapped water out. It's gonna take a number of days to drain the whole volume of water.
He believes focusing on other strategies like recreating where the floodwaters were when the floods hit and where they are today would be more beneficial.
Finding out those hot spots, that's gonna help you to make things more efficient. Finding out the pockets where the human settlements were within the floodplain.
And that professor added that recent rains would also bring more challenges. He says that several pumps and generators would also be needed. In Arlington, Marissa Armas, CBS News, Texas.